All right, today we're diving into a hot topic, AI automation workflows, especially the kind built on platforms like n8n. But here's the twist. We're not hyping them up. We're calling out the red flags.
Yeah, because let's be real. In 2025, there's really no excuse to be locked into overpriced SaaS tools like Make.com, Zapier, or even Airtable in most use cases, especially if you've got a decent PC setup.
Exactly. I mean, if you've got 8 GB of GPU RAM and a stable internet connection, you're already ahead of the game. You can self-host most of the stuff these platforms charge monthly fees for.
That's the part that really bugs me. When people showcase AI automation workflows and then sneak in 5 different paid services like it's totally normal. Like, hey, look at my cool OpenAI bot, but it runs through Zapier, Make, and Notion Pro. Come on.
It's like buying a smart fridge and realizing the ice dispenser has a monthly subscription. No thanks. A major red flag is when someone can't explain why that paid service is even necessary.
Right? And a lot of times it's not. They're just using it because it's shiny or popular. But n8n is open source for a reason. It's designed to not rely on these third-party toll booths.
Totally. And honestly, many of those services are just wrappers. They take open source libraries, throw a UI on top, and slap a $30 a month tag on it. We've got to stop pretending that's innovation.
Yep. Take LangChain as an example. Tons of people are building impressive local agents with it. No Zapier in sight. You just need some patience, basic Docker skills, and you're good.
Also, people forget the privacy angle. The more third-party services you hook in, the more data gets scattered across platforms. Self-hosting minimizes that surface area.
And the reliability. If Zapier has downtime, your whole pipeline collapses. If you're running it on your own server, you're in control. Want to scale? Add a node, not a subscription.
I think part of it is marketing fatigue, too. Every new solution feels like it's been optimized for investors, not users. If a workflow is trying too hard to sell you something, it's probably a red flag.
Facts. So here's a rule of thumb. If you see a workflow and over half the components are paid tools, ask why. If the answer is convenience, that might be legit, but only if you can't replicate it locally.
And replication is easier than ever now. Stable diffusion, local LLMs, vector databases, you name it, there's a self-hosted version. The learning curve might be there, but the freedom is worth it.
So maybe the real skill in 2025 isn't knowing how to chain SaaS tools, it's knowing how to avoid them while still building robust automations.
Love that. It's about sovereignty, not shortcuts. And honestly, it's more fun when you build from the ground up.
All right, before we wrap up, next time you see a flashy AI automation demo with 6 paid services, stop and ask yourself, could I build this on my own rig? Chances are the answer is yes.
And if the answer is no, maybe it's not a solution. It's just a sales pitch.
Couldn't have said it better. Catch you next time.